Investigation and advice. Our investigation and advice service is free and confidential. If you feel like you're being treated unfairly, you can contact us for help and support. Our staff can either point you in the right direction of other organisations, or in other circumstances we can look at individual complaints. We can only provide support to a young person who is up to the age of 18 or 25 in certain circumstances, that is usually living in Wales or who has been placed in England by a Welsh local authority, or who has a complaint or wants to make a representation to a service provider such as a registered childcare setting or certain organisations, including any local authority or local health board in Wales. We cannot become involved with any legal proceedings, including court cases and decisions made by Cafcas Cymru, offer an emergency service or offer any counselling services ourselves. We make sure we keep the information you share with us private, unless we think you or another child or young person is unsafe. We then share the information with other organisations that can help protect you. If we need to share the information with other people that could help, then we will tell you what we are doing and why we have decided to do it.